now we can just break it off. Pull this out. Push it kind of this way. It should go. Good job, kid. Oh. Your first pillar chops. Out of the way.
Yeah.
Probably could
Like
have.
exercise.
Probably could have sozzled a little violently ill from that shit. There we go. Into the scrap trailer.
Scrap trailer.
She's getting full, eh?
Yeah.
All right, we can make the cuts here now, kid.
Go. Okay. I don't know what I press.
Okay, we're good.
Whoa! Ow! Something poked me. That hurt. That hurt.
Keep that leg down.
It was helping me. I was fishing around.
Yeah, you want to pull towards you. Okay.
It caught me.
Almost. A little more. Nailed it. Good job, kid. One loose roof. Now careful where the cuts are. They'll be real sharp. You don't want to get your hand on them. They are always crazy sharp. Alright, let's snip the other side. If you want to try this one all by yourself, you can. Remember, shove that thing up as high as you can. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Once it starts, you just gotta go with it. You gotta pull and hold, and just keep pushing up, and you'll be good. Good job. Well, you just cut like an inch through it. Good job getting it shoved up. Alrighty, little helper girl's gonna help film Dad doing the final cuts on the roof.
Yeah. I have to get these on, right?
Take your time, kid. Perfect. Alright. Alright, kid.
I'm following.
One more cut here. And the whole center of the roof should fall right in.
Whoa!
Ready?
Yeah! Cool.
Yeah, kid, your first roof job. 20 years before my first roof job. Huh? What do you think?
Cool.
Not every day a kid gets to cut a roof off a vehicle.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that. Learning today.
And rev one.
Big red one.
No, and rev one. Rev.
Oh, you want a rev one?
I said and
And rev one. Okay. Not every day a kid gets to rev a motor. Last one you revved was the G8, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I got a video of you revving the heck out of her. She was crackling and popping.
Mhm.
Alright.
I think I can take these off.
These
now.
last two suckers.
What?
These last two. This one will be easier because the gas tank is on that side. We'll cut around the gas tank and I'll slowly trim away at that over the next few days.
Alright.
But we'll get at least the glass on.
All right.
And then maybe we can take it for a little scoot around the yard. Our new convertible. Hey?
I want it.
Huh?
Yeah, I would want to try revving it again. That would be fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, then. One sec. Let me get my protective gear on. I'm ready.
It's videoing?
Yeah.
Alrighty. You take her off just under here.
All right.
So no, this one will go lower.
All right.
I don't know if this blade's long enough. I might have to put a longer blade in. We'll see where we get. Loosey-goosey in there.
That was wild.
Broke. Not broke, but bent.
Because you're being crazy. Yay! Good job. Scrap pile.
Yeah. Whatever you do, kid, make sure you do not touch
That, yeah.
the cut edges.
All right.
They're extremely sharp. She's a go-kart now, kid.
Yeah.
Soon she'll be a '63 Chevy.